Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Haley. I post editing videos on YouTube. I haven't posted in a little while, but I'm excited to be back and posting some more again. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to customize your app icons and specifically how to make them transparent. So really cool, transparent icons. We're gonna be doing this all on our phones, and yeah, let's get into it. So for starters, I wanna say that by customizing these app icons, we're actually customizing a shortcut to the app. With the new iOS 14 update, you're able to store apps on your phone without them appearing on your home screen. So what we're gonna be doing is keeping these apps stored in our app library without having them on our home screen and then having our shortcuts on our home screen. It may sound a little bit confusing, but once I get into this, it will make more sense. So now to the editing part. I'm gonna edit in Pixar on my phone. It's easier because a lot of the icons are on this app already and we're editing on our phone for our phone. It's just easier, it's all in one place. It works. First things first, take a screenshot of your screen. Just take a screenshot of your screen, how it's laid out, how you like it, with the widgets and everything all in the order that you want. Okay. And we're gonna upload that screenshot to Pixar. Once you have it uploaded and everything, we're going to upload the wallpaper that we want to the same canvas. This will just help making sure that it's sized properly. I found my wallpaper on Pinterest. I suggest going there. You can search for backgrounds on that app using the keyword aesthetic. I know it makes me cringe every time I say it, but it works for finding good backgrounds. Okay, whatever. So we have our wallpaper and it's sized to the same size of our phone now because we put it over the screenshot. Now you're gonna click save, and this is gonna be the background that we use for our image. We're gonna use this one that's sized properly to our phone so that is aligned. And you'll see why later, why it's important. So we're gonna save this to our phone, and that's the background that we will be uploading. Now we're gonna go again and add a screenshot on top of this. So insert your screenshot on top of your background, and this is gonna show us how our apps line up. And there's an option to add a sticker on PixArt, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna click add sticker, and I'm searching for app icons, so Instagram, Twitter. I'm just searching an Instagram logo and finding a white logo that I like, or changing the color if I need to. You don't have to use the actual app icons. You can make it whatever you want. There's a lot of sticker options within this app, which is why I like it. So if you want a heart, a sun, literally anything, you can do that. So I'm just going through and I'm lining them up with the app icons on the screenshot. Now, this is so important. See, there's an option for apply at the top. Do not click apply. If you click apply, it's gonna place everything how it is on the screen. And you don't want that screenshot to stay there because eventually what we're gonna do is we're going to delete the screenshot so that we're just left the background and the icons. The only time you're gonna press apply is when we're editing an image. So I'll show you. For example, this Twitter logo right here, it's black and I want it to be white. So I click on the image and I click adjust. So now I'm just adjusting the Twitter logo. And I'm going to effect and I'm clicking either invert or negative. They're literally the same thing because it's black and white, and applying it. And that's the one time you can apply because we're working with that one sticker. We don't want to apply all the stickers, including the screenshot. So I'm just going through and doing that for all of them, making sure that they're PNG images. Now, if you have one that's in color, you can still make it white if that is the vibe you're going for. So for example, this Pinterest logo, it is red and I want it to be white. So I'm going to adjust and I'm bringing the brightness up all the way and I'm bringing the saturation down all the way. And then I'm clicking apply. Remember, that's just for the logo. And I'm going back and I'm going to do that one more time. I'm bringing the brightness up one more time. And then this will make sure that it's completely white. If you have all your icons laid out the way you want it on the screen, you can move that screenshot image that we have behind all of the icons and you can delete it. So now we are left with just our background wallpaper image and all of the icons on top. Now, if this is the way you like it and this is what you want, then this works and we can apply and do all that. However, I want my icons to not be pure white. I want them to be a little bit translucent. So I'm going to bring down the opacity of all of them. I think about 80%, just so that you can see that background through it still. I think it has a nice effect. Now, once we're done with that, you can click save and save it to your camera roll. Now we need to set the wallpaper. So the first image that we saved off PicsArt with just the wallpaper and no icons on it is what we're going to use for the wallpaper. So we're going to go to settings and then click on wallpaper and just add that image. Now you'll see that it automatically has it on perspective zoom. So if you touch the screen with 2 fingers and just pinch in, it will turn off that perspective zoom, and you'll see at the bottom it says perspective zoom off. That's what you want. You don't want it to be zoomed in at all. You want it to just be normal image. So we're going to click set and then set as home screen. Now we're good on that part. Now to making the shortcuts or our icons. So you have the shortcut app on your phone. I suggest you go search for it. Just search shortcut and it will pop up. So to make a shortcut, you're going to click the plus at the top right hand corner and click add action. The action we want is open app. So you're going to search open app and it should pop up, and you're just going to click that. And now you're going to press choose and choose an app that you want it to open. Now we're going to edit this because we just have the instructions for it. Now you have to press the 3 dots. The shortcut name it the name of the app so that you don't get them mixed up. And then we're going to press add to home screen. Make sure it's named the same name as the app or whatever name you want it to appear on your home screen. Now press that icon on the bottom and click choose photo. Now you're going to use the second image that we took from PicsArt with the icons on them, and you're going to zoom in to the icon that you want to be on your home screen. Now this app only lets you zoom in so far, so what I did is I cropped it in my camera roll and then just would keep going and cropping it as needed around like groups of 2 icons, and that way I was able to zoom in further. Now, once you see that it's on your home screen, you can just move it to wherever that corresponding app is from the screenshot that you took. So if you're creating a Facebook icon now, you can just move it to wherever that icon was from your screenshot. Now, I'm just going to keep going through and repeating this process for all the other apps. Okay, and you'll see this is my final screen. I did change my widgets to match the background better and match the vibe. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any confusion, please let me know in the comments and I'll try to clarify things as much as I can. And I hope this was helpful. And if there's any other videos that you want me to make or any things that you're unsure of, again, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.